You may have those pressure gauges we were talking about. Typically, I recommend, if you have the ability to spread out your components in your mechanized room, particularly for everything we've discussed, you should have like pressure gauges before the water becomes sediment filtered, so you know what that raw water pressure is that's coming in. You also want to know what the pressure is after that water filter, because that's one of the ways we can diagnose that, when a filter is brand new, you can kind of get an idea of what to expect. And if you start seeing a drop like 10 psi's less, maybe your out pressure after the filter, maybe coming in stream, right, upstream, you have the before gauge, it reads 100. You have an after gauge, a post gauge after that sediment or spin down filter, and it says 99 or 98 or 95. Maybe it even says 90. You want to capture that and write it down, that the optimal flow with a brand new uncollected filter, it has no debris that it has collected, that's the best rate you can expect. You should make a note to yourself that if it drops by 10 psi's, it's time to replace it. I don't care if it's 2 weeks, 4 weeks, a quarter of a year, a half a year, or 1 year. If that mechanically shows that it has filled up, then you need to do one of two things. A spin down filter usually has the ability to remove the cartridge housing or the sump after you've turned off the water pressure to it on both sides in our bypass valve designs. You can turn off those points. Hopefully you got the pressure relief valve where you can break the pressure that's built up inside of that sump and not destroy your O-rings in the process. Bleed off the pressure, then take your strap, remove it, and in some of these spin down sediment filter setups, you can just go over to a garden hose on the outside of the property and flush that out, and then take that same filter and bring it back in, and then carefully open the bypass valves very slowly. Do not do them very quickly, otherwise you could potentially cause damage to your entire indoor plumbing system and cause a leak somewhere, and you never know where that leak's going to be. It could be right next to you, or it could be between floors, where it's below the floor in the flooring, but above your ceiling downstairs, and all of a sudden your office downstairs is flooding out all over your computer equipment. So that's my thoughts on that. So having a 10% psi drop would cause an issue that you need to address, either to replace the filter or wash out the filter. Specifically, the spin down sediment filters are the only ones, if they say that it is reusable and gives you directions that you can flush it out, that's the only time you do that. For every other filter in your system, you are not doing that. You are absolutely replacing those filters. And now, a brief message from our sponsor at dailylivingwithwater.com. Hello, I'm Mike Rogers. If you like this video and want some help troubleshooting your water treatment system to get back to the best water flowing inside of your home and business, I've got good news for you. I've developed 2 remote troubleshooting support plans that you're absolutely going to love. Nobody else in the water treatment industry offers this valuable and exclusive service. This is a game changer the water treatment industry has never seen before. These per-session plans are called Standard Remote Support by Email and Priority Remote Support Call. These per-incident support troubleshooting sessions are offered remotely by email or through a video conference call, which is designed for more urgent situations. Whether you have a reverse osmosis or whole house water filtration or UV disinfection system or all of the above and more, I've got you covered. Whether you're on city water, groundwater well, or aquifer well, or a cistern water supply, you now have a friend in the water treatment system industry for education, support, and real-world solutions that won't break the bank. Both support plans are designed with you, the do-it-yourselfer, in mind to guide you through the steps combined with my input, having over 3 decades of experience in water treatment. Between you and I together, we can help you get your water treatment system back online fast and at a reasonable price. My global award-winning technical support experience of over 2 decades takes the complex and breaks it down patiently into a proven and simple step-by-step process. After you have solved the issue with my direction and your input and your hands, you'll be able to be the hero who protected everyone's water source under your roof. But I can't help you if you don't hire me. Just click the support link and order your remote support troubleshooting session with me right now. You'll be glad you did. In fact, the email support plan starts at just $99. Our 100% secure automated online ordering system is standing by 24/7, 365. Also, if you're thinking about designing a water treatment system for the first time or thinking about upgrading your current water treatment system project for home or office, or you just need an independent second opinion on your water test diagnosis, because there is no one-size-fits-all water treatment solution, I offer both independent water treatment design consultations and treatment plans that are customized to fit your specific home or business needs. Click on our Learn More link to see my digital learning products, training, services, and support specifically designed for the first time ever to empower the do-it-yourselfer. I've written books on the subject of water that are only available at dailylivingwithwater.com, with more publications coming soon. All offerings by dailylivingwithwater.com are exclusively designed for do-it-yourselfers, homeowners, renters, and business owners seeking affordable solutions to safe and effective water treatment for everyday use. It's a scary world out there with water issues in the headlines, which seems like nearly every week. Get peace of mind right now. Click those links to protect your home and your business water supply today. My name is Michael W. Rogers with dailylivingwithwater.com, and I approve this message.